Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the other wireless connections, personal hotspot, and here you can switch your hotspot. You can also change some of its settings here. For example, you can change its name. Here you can select its security protocol. You can change its password here. You can change its AP band, or you can't. You can set it to be visible or invisible to other devices here. You can also manage connections. For example, you have a block list here. You can set up a maximum allowed amount of connections. You can set data restrictions too. And you can set your hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected after 10 minutes. And you can also disable your hotspot by tapping here, and here you can disable your hotspot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.